Olaba High School, they depend the evening shift. If your husband want a prostitute to buy, send him down a gas station. Every night they down there I sell their body. Especially the one them will wear the braces and the evening shift at Olaba High. The one them will wear the braces that they mouth like yourself. Man, and most down there your husband meet you. Right down there. Man.
So, what you say now? The fingernails them cancel for today. Let me see these nails you have on. Stretch them out. Are you put on them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta take them off Wednesday. And them that pay your toe, she gotta do them over. So she have to cancel because of family issues. Your dress look nice, but I don't like the hairstyle, lovely. Today. You want me to catch it up back for you?
You could do the same like too. This though.
And then when you go wash out back your face, you have eyebrow pencil up there, so what you use and do this?
Makeup.
Yeah, but what makeup you used to do the eyebrow?
Foundation.
Black foundation? No, man, I use something like polish.
No, foundation.
Me don't show me because
one lady give me some makeup and I put it on.
Well, you can go feet and fix the face. This is not the Barbie. This is not the lovely man, no. I wish demons you go amongst now make them make you look so today. You can use but the same ear them for your ear, but the ketchup what you do to it, make you get a zigzag pattern or two and put them on for your back on the end.
I'm scared, Lindsay.
Why?
I don't know.
You're not in a mood. You're not in the right mood.
I'm scared, Lindsay.
Scared of what?
Just people.
I understand. Me scared of them sometimes too. But you have to try to defeat them. If you make them know so you're scared of them, they might devour you. You want that? So you have to trample the beast. Yo? What are you scared of?
I just scared of people.
So you're scared of me now? You're scared of me?
No. So what you want me to go get? The eyebrow pencil and the makeup?
Right. And okay. Stop. We're going to move from your search for them there. Blood clean. No, man.
Watch out! Stop no push!
Rada. Valentine's Day drama start already?
Man, if anybody ever see me and tell me about happy Valentine's Day, me tell them to go suck them mama. What me say? Me only say this to you, Miss Rachel, because your son is my best friend. You hear me I tell you? This morning, me and him sit down and talk. And I tell him say Valentine's Day come and my birthday come and this girl never give me nothing yet. Only thing she tell me happy Valentine's Day and happy birthday. And only pussy. That's all. Never give me nothing. Every Valentine's Day and her birthday, me give her things. You see me? Instead of me left her, me say I'm a good friend, you know, give me no bad advice. But me I just buy her one gift for last time. So me buy a gift for 3-5. You see me? Down a bottom shop and go up her yard and knock on her door and put it on the step and go one side, go hide. Miss Rachel, when me look Miss Rachel like and your son Missy come out, Miss Rachel, my best friend, come out in a towel, go and take up a gift. But I see him girl also, him and tell me some if he left Miss Rachel, what you expect me to do as my friend, Miss Rachel?
Just leave them to God, man. Leave them to God. Just leave them to God.
Miss Rachel, you better you no voice note me, no. Miss Rachel, you better you go on here, man. Miss Rachel, sit down and buy a void here. Yeah, man, sit down and don't call tomorrow when you see me on the street. Because this one, Miss Rachel, as a big woman.
And I'm here doing me now, one man. Fuck, yes. Yeah.
Boy, that's so. I get a class. How you work? Yeah, I get a class from them. How you get a class from them? Put on a class up in here. Go so. Oh, boy. Do you need a foot now? Need a foot? Boy. Give them a laugh now. Oh. Kick out the foot. Kick out them then.
What you understand?
How can I work up at church? I do. You mix cement. Give them a laugh. Go so. Give them a laugh. See what juice in my bag. Give them a laugh. Yeah, me I say. You see when you called me yesterday, it's a fat girl with the pan a beat up. You feel me a joke, man? Eh? I tell you, fat girl me have.
Braces and no teeth.
What me more? I'll show you. I'll show you the video. I'll show you what I want. You have braces but no teeth. Eh? If you have braces, you have to have teeth to put braces on. Okay, no. There's no teeth right there, so you have to put braces but no teeth. No, but I tell you, me, that man, I know every run. Because we come in the show right there, so yeah, man. Yeah, man, know. Drink and laugh, make sure you come out and support that. Yeah, near the 6. It was. Fireman. Yeah. Look up in that camera. Eh? Yeah. Blessings. Okay then. Blessings, you know. Okay then. Okay. Highly blessed, you know. Yeah, cause look. I'm not too paying a guy that way there, look. I know why I'm look like. Yeah. So I don't want to pay a guy that way, yeah. But I know, sir, I made the 26 of the comedy show. Alright, well, sometimes you just utter the truth and the truth and the truth. And the truth and the truth. And highly blessings to the truth. Yeah, that's the truth, you know. The truth and the truth. The truth and the truth.
This graveyard trying to take everybody.
Oh Lord!
I'm done. I'm done. Nini wewe? Ha? Nini?
You see them dirty people that will come on my TikTok page and with them bad comments and go look a fucking life kind of bad no soon. You know my league baby, no doubt in my league. On to show no fucking face on TikTok but I don't know. Could I talk about